Welcome to the breathtaking bird sanctuary in Guntur, a hidden gem where nature thrives in its purest form. As the sun rises, the sanctuary awakens to the soothing calls of thousands of migratory and native birds. This tranquil haven is home to a diverse range of species, from majestic painted storks and pelicans to elegant egrets and cormorants. Every year, these birds travel thousands of miles, finding refuge in the wetlands of Guntur. The serene water bodies and lush greenery provide the perfect ecosystem for feeding and nesting. The sanctuary's rich biodiversity makes it a paradise for bird watchers, photographers, and nature lovers alike. As the day comes to an end, the golden hues of the sunset paint a mesmerizing picture, with flocks returning to their nests. It's a true reminder of the beauty and harmony of nature. Thank you for joining this aerial journey over Bird Sanctuary.